Pulutan cooking has been rising in popularity as a tasty version of Spanish tapas, with many great snacks to eat while you're enjoying a drinking session with friends. However, what is Pulutan cooking exactly, and how can you implement it in your kitchen? Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll be explaining what Pulutan cooking is and giving you some great ideas to use in your personal kitchen. First, let's talk a bit about what it is and how it works. Pulutan is the Filipino equivalent to Spanish tapas. As you might know, a tapa is an appetizer or snack in Spanish cuisine that translates to a small portion of any kind of cuisine. They may be hot or cold and are usually accompanied with beer or other types of alcohol. Pulutan snacks could be something really simple, such as crackers mixed with canned tuna in oil to garlic prawns. It's a big part of Filipino drinking culture, and even if you don't live in the Philippines, you can definitely learn some quick, easy, and tasty recipes to add to your own kitchen. Crispy dinakdakan. Let's begin with crispy dinakdakan, one of the best recipes for the Christmas season. Dinakdakan consists of grilled pork parts that are tossed in a calamansi and dressed with onion and chili peppers. The crispy version has the same fantastic taste of dinakdakan with a crunchier texture. Once you have your assorted pig pieces and parts, you need to tenderize them. Boil them with water, whole peppercorn, garlic, and some dried bay leaves. It will take around an hour for them to be really tender, but the flavor and crunchy texture makes this completely worth it. Take the pig liver and rub salt all over it. Pan fry it until it's totally cooked. Next, proceed to deep fry the boiled ears and the pork belly until it's crisp. Take them out of the pan and proceed to prepare the meal dressing while waiting for them to cool down. You can take all the dressing ingredients and combine them in an additional bowl until the texture smoothens. Take some mayonnaise, soy sauce, some pieces of calamansi, a teaspoon of salt, and some ground black pepper. Mix them up and you'll be good to go. Chop the ears and belly into bite-sized pieces. Place in a large bowl and then add the fried liver. Toss. Add onion, green onion, and chili pepper. Mix until well blended. Now, pour the dressing into the bowl, toss it around, and your dinakdakan is crispy, tasty, and ready to be devoured. Crispy sisig. Next, we have the recipe for crispy sisig. Sisig is a Filipino dish composed of chopped onions, minced pork, and chicken liver. We'll be showing you the steps to make a really crispy and tasty sisig for any special occasion. As with our previous dish, boil the pork for 1 hour in bay leaves and water. Next, deep fry the boiled pork until the skin turns golden brown and crispy. Use a deep fryer to make the process easier. Check the pork every few minutes and carefully cook it for around 30 minutes. Let the pork rest until it reaches room temperature after frying. Start to slice the pork and then chop it into small pieces. Next, you have to make the sisig. Do this by melting margarine in a pan and then sautéing the onions until they are soft. Add the chopped pork and spice it up with ground black pepper and some soy sauce. Finally, heat a metal plate and melt some more margarine to transfer into the sisig. Let it sizzle for a while and it's all ready. Tokwat baboy. Finally, we'll teach you how to prepare tokwat baboy. You can create this dish by taking some boiled pork and fried tofu. Start by boiling some water and then adding salt and whole peppercorn. Put the pig parts in the boiling water and then simmer until it's tender for around 45 minutes. Pour some cooking oil on another pan and let it heat. Once it's hot enough, deep fry some tofu until it's golden brown and the outer texture is crispy. This will be important for later. Cube the fried tofu and then slice the pig parts into bite-sized pieces. Combine sugar, salt, soy sauce, and vinegar in a bowl and stir them. Microwave this for a minute and then add pepper, onions, and green onions. Now, put the sauce in a serving bowl and put the sliced meat and the tofu in a serving plate with a sauce bowl by the side. It's best served hot, by the way. So, what do you think of these ideas for Pulutan cooking? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.